This is a video to explain how you can use the administrative requirement for bids over a certain dollar amount. You can set this by going up into your settings, selecting your office, and then selecting the applicable office. Here in your office profile, you can set what your administrative approval requirement is for bids to be sent out by salespeople. In this case, I have set it to $10,000. So if a salesperson wants to send a bid, they will have to go through and request administrative approval before sending that bid out. In this instance, if they go into this proposal, I am allowed to enable this salesperson to send this proposal out or disable them from sending it out. When they come to this page, they will see that these two icons are gone. They cannot view or print the proposal or send the proposal until they have come in and they have selected the administrator and submitted a request to be able to send that bid out. Once that request comes to me, it will show up on my dashboard, on my to-do items. You can see here that I have a bid approval request that's been assigned to me. If I click on that, I can see that I have a request for bid number 83 for $250,000. There I can go into bid number 83 and I can select that. So if I go to bid number 83, here I can come in, I can select that, I can view the proposal, I can review the items, and when I'm satisfied, I can allow the salesperson to view and print and share this proposal. That's a quick overview of how to manage your settings to enable administrative approval for bids over a certain dollar amount.